good morning, everyone. This is Ed, and we're back with some more Dead by Daylight. Hello, 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 hello. How do you do, everyone? And yeah. So yeah, I still I got a bit of sugar, so yeah, adrenaline kicking in, and hope you guys are having a good Monday, a great Monday. Anyway, a lot of you guys are going back to work. That sucks ass, but it is what it is. So yeah, give me a couple of seconds.
I'm down, big boy.
I'm down.
Yo. Hindi kita ma-invite. Oo, alam ko.
Wait, what? Leave out.
Nakalagay, in lobby, pero
Hindi ko.
because you invite yourself.
It's a given. That's already given.
This doesn't look right.
Okay.
Tayo na natin si Winter.
Injured ako, man.
Huwag ka na-injure.
Kamali ako ng bagsak sa basketball. Tapos
Bagsak. Ino mo.
tapos natapakan pa yung paa ko on top. Ayun. Na super twist.
Shits.
Pero naglaro pa ako ng isa pang game. May sakit. I just learned to channel that pain to pain by
Lagyan mo
inflicting
ng
pain.
By inflicting pain.
Yes, pain to other people. Ayun. Walang dumidikit na sa akin.
Si Sisi naglalaro. Playing Dead by Daylight. Gagawin siya si Winter. Baka nakatulog.
Tulog na yan.
Kaya nga. Sabi niya, banyo daw siya. Kaso hindi
Naku,
pa
natulog.
baba.
Siyempre, hindi natulog sa banyo.
Tulog na sa kobeta.
That's just a very logical explanation to it. So. Pinipilit ko matulog eh.
Look.
Hindi kaya.
Gising.
Hello?
Iyon?
Sorry,
Natulog ako. Sabi na nga natulog sa banyo.
Sabi na ako eh.
Tulog sa banyo.
Pero teka, may sinend ako sa'yo. So, kung...
Oy, ano yung sinend mo? Dick pic?
Gusto ma-send ko rin sa'yo?
Wah. Teka, yung sipin mo na lang. Di ba ganyan siya kagaling? Pero itong sinend ko sa'yo, yun yung sabi ni Recta na tinitingala niya. But, agree naman ako, in fairness. Para sa akin, siya yung pinakamagaling na survivor.
Wala ako kasi
Ano?
yan. Si Olats Darba.
Gago hindi. Man, si Sway. Si Sway. Fucking idol ni Recta.
Wala
Si
yan.
Sway. At agree naman ako, putya. Tingnan mo ang paano gumalaw eh. Nakagago na lang. Yun na lang
Kalmado
sa
rin
thing.
siya.
Hindi na kalmado. Ginagago niya talaga yung ano.
Hindi yan, eh. Better gaming chair lang yan.
Tayo na, bakit ako sa'yo, boy? Dali. Compared to gaming chair. Yun talaga susi yun, no? Better gaming chair, no? Dali si... Hanapin ko na yung... Tapos ano...
Inaya mo
Kasi-
si Maza?
Oh, magkausap kami. Pero nasa GTA.
Eh, may
Check ko
issue,
lang kung
may
malalaro
issue
pa
daw
siya.
si Winter doon.
Eh!
Tama na, lahat na may issue.
Lahat eh.
Isa lang, isa lang.
Si Mazay.
Lahat may issue. Galit ako kay Init.
Eh!
Oh,
Ayan, tinanggal ko na yung Windows.
Wow!
Tatry ko. My gosh,
You gotta believe I can fly.
Windows XP of opportunity.
But,
Hala, wala na akong opportunity.
big boy, check mo yung ano mo. Yung sinend ko.
Ah, ano to? Bold?
Hmm.
I don't watch videos unless it's bold.
Sayang.
So, yun. Bold nga. Yung ano, bold nga. Kalbo yung ano.
What you doing?
Nag-i-stream.
What you doing? What's the move? Yes, the boy. She's. Beautiful. What she's. Beautiful. Last one. Oh, no! I have no dead horn. But it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. The mighty Juker is on play.
Ah,
Go
tutulog
left,
na
go right, go
siya.
left.
Dali.
Go locker! Beautiful!
Natutulog na
Go
daw
out,
siya.
now walk around him, crouch right. He doesn't know where I'm at.
Mukha
On him.
inantok na. Kalaro niya kasi sila Cloud kanina kaya hindi ko na niyaya eh.
Wala, RNG lang yan, min. Low MMR. Remember, MMR is real, but it doesn't work with DBD. Do not quote me on that, guys. You didn't hear that from me. Pero meron talaga, men. Meron kaming tab dun sa ano ng ano about sa MMR. Sa work. Hindi lang namin ginagalaw.
Sabi, hindi talaga gumagana yung MMR.
Hindi. Merong gumagana yung MMR. Pero yung
Hidden.
ano, pero yung match fixing
Hindi siya
ng
accurate.
MMR hindi talaga gumagana. Or wala talagang ano, match fixing. Kasi all in all it depends on ano eh. It depends on the kung sino yung mga player na ano na available during that time. Tapos within the area.
Sa bagay.
Parang ano, gumagana pa rin MMR pero hindi lang pinapakita yung kung paano siya gumana.
Kumbaga parang tied sa global ranking.
Agad.
Global ranking shit din ata yan. Alam ko may ano, parang hindi directly yung ano, yung website, yung mga website ng achievement. Hindi directly supported ni ano, ni DVD. Pero naka-connect yung ano system nila dun sa achievement. So parang dun yung parang pinakasilbi ng MMR kasi dun parang nagbibilang ng achievement. Some shit.
Pero, Gina.
Teka, check kung sama si Sisi.
Sino?
Si Vitamin Sisi.
Oh shit! Kinuha na yung entity yung sealed envelope ko.
Wala na. Kita mo si Sway, diba? Ano, halimaw.
Ayan, man. Marunong
Ang
lang
ginago lang si Oni.
marunong lang mag-moonwalk yan. Yun lang yun.
Diba? Wala siya doon sa ano, diba?
Hindi,
I'm
paano
down,
ba
big boy, turo-turo.
Oh, di ba?
Tapos pag ikot ni Winter, tanga na ubos na lahat ng palit. Hinayo
Window
pa.
na lang natitira.
Window na lang.
Windows of Opportunity OP.
Welcome to hell, Parang it's either window na lang natitira o yung palette nasa dulo ng mapa.
Oh shit! Laki na naman kinuha. Huge chunk.
Kaya nakalaki pare.
Sinlaki ng ano. Wait lang. Oh. Print screen ko. Ganyan kalaki. Ayan. Dick pic yan. Kita mo na?
Itong bold na.
Didelete ko na after.
Kaya,
Kaya kalaki. Almost half.
puta nila mo.
Kahit si Firewolf nalakihan.
Sayang yung ano, salt pouch. Tangina. Hindi nag-reply. May kalaro siguro. Baka naka-stream. Ano? Tier plus 1 na lang doon sa post ko.
Sino mag-aano? Ako?
Ikaw na, big boy. Naku,
Sige, wait lang.
paborito mo yun. Mazahir, tulog na daw.
Ayan. At
Gamitin ko ba main ko? Parang ayoko, parang naawa ako sa akin. Hey,
Ang aawa, min. Aawa ba
hindi
sila
ko
pag
ito
nilidaw
nilalabas eh.
tayo?
Hindi ko ito nilalabas tayo na parang demonyo ako eh.
Grabe, ang daming green.
Sino na ba main mo ngayon? Si Lara?
Hindi, inaano ko lang hanggang maganda. Prestige 6.
Tapos, si ano pa rin, si call center fan.
Supermarket together. Ah, that's the new game that you're playing, dude. What's up?
Napunta ka.
What?
Sino ba main mo ngayon? Si call center Feng pa rin.
Oh, it's free? Free. Well, give me a second. Supermarket together.
Baka ano, supermarket simulator.
Oh, I see it. Supermarket together. Oh, guys, download nyo na. I mean, add to library. Supermarket together on Steam. It's free and it's multiplayer. Thanks for the info.
Mapapakain ba ako niya?
Fuck.
What is this?
It's a minimum wage clerk simulator.
Oh.
Boy, si bang main mo ngayon? Si ano? Si call center Feng pa rin.
Yeah, sure. I'll check if I can. If I'm still awake, I guess. I'm trying to wear off the sugar. But yeah, thank you for the like. Wait, what was the question, man? Oh yeah, it's called Center Peng. The face of evil corporations.
Good time. Face of evil corporate.
You know, when you work 14 hours of overtime, and then
14 hours.
yeah, and then you find out that most of your earnings there is tax.
Ito na nga lang. Delikado na. Hindi naman nasasable.
Yeah, sure, man.
Nakakatayo.
I'll try to join it. If
Nakakati yung kamay ko pag sisable.
if I'm not dying on my sleep, Jesus Christ.
Why would I die in your sleep?
Yes.
Dyan tayo sa favorite niyo.
Hindi ako nag-offer, man.
Ay, go na. Sige.
Offer ng mapa.
Okay.
What's your favorite? Tapos, ano naman yan? Tawag dito.
Ano?
Snow World. Goddamn Snow World. Ano nga pala yan?
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Fuck that map. All day? Wow. Day and night with it. I'm still trying to adjust with my body clock. I can't believe that I have a normal person's sleep now. Shut
Put
up.
that.
Welcome to hell, motherfucker!
Oh, what? What's with the close-up?
So you have nicer teeth.
She's not even smiling.
Now you will.
Please, not a trapper.
What?
Oh shit, Booba! Oh,
Uy,
Jesus
bagsak.
Christ! What the fuck's happening,
bagsak.
Gideon?
Oh my!
What the fuck was that? Scorch hook. Fuck! I've been out of the game too long.
Dead man switch.
Ba 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 ba.
Oh my god, you dropped!
No, it dropped!
Oh shit. Ay, mabot yun.
Jesus Christ! Oh fuck, he knows!
Run, girl, run.
Saan ka pupunta?
Fuck!
What an actual clown fest.
Is he chasing you?
Yep. Oh my god!
Oh!
Ay, yo, what? What?
Bot did
Oh,
Come on, you piece of shit!
Pupulutin ako. Nice. Mali yung ginawa mo. Pabalik dyan, boy. Alis, alis.
Fuck off, dude! Dude, fuck off!
You're clear for the save. Yan pag-aamali mo, dapat nag-commit siya sa'yo.
Kaya nga.
Hey. Okay.
Okay, for the points na lang tayo, Peter.
Oo, naging bot bigla ang putik.
Easier.
Inuna pa nga yung bot. Bagay, hindi naman niya alam. Eh, may BNC.
Help! Help! Papunta ako sa inyo, men.
Ha?
Papunta ako sa inyo. I have
Ano,
bond.
wala ko na sa kami. Tapos may bond. What the fuck?
Oh, you won.
Get the fuck out.
Oh, what the fuck, man?
What the fuck?
What?
Bamboozle? Oh, fuck, of course, bamboozle.
Siyempre, bam-bam yan. Ayan yan. Men, saving na ako ha. Kay... bot.
Papunta
Gago
ata
na
siya
sa'yo pa
sa
ba?
bot eh.
I think not.
Ay, hindi.
Maybe,
Okay.
maybe not. I think he's following me. Oh my god, Booba, thank you for the follow.
Oh, she's following.
Oy. Naka.
Wala dito.
Gago na punta kayo.
Back to it then.
Pass the baton, boy.
Punta kayo sa ama.
Thanks.
Where's that pea shit?
Aray.
Alright. Mukha ba may BNC? Wala.
Meron atang BNC.
Ah, fuck! No! I should have known that he went for the scourge hook.
Sabog.
Papunta
Jesus
sa
Christ.
med.
You uninstalled the game. Up, 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 up. Oh, what the
Yes,
fuck?
Wait, ba't alam niya? What the fuck?
BNC? Banana Q
Paano
and
niya alam?
Charlie?
Gago, may... Nakabun na ako eh. Nakalayo na ako eh. Men. Nung
He's going to the
nag-press
scorch
ako,
hook. Straight
ano
ahead,
na lang,
straight ahead.
ako,
Pablock,
yan
pablock,
pala
pablock.
yun.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Gago, ba't alam niya?
Ah!
Kinat niya ako. Alam niya. Dude.
Oh, calm down, baby boy! What the fuck?
Eh, sige, wala na dito. Kinat niya pa ako. Alam niya.
Eh, tantrum. Fuck off, dude. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Okay, double in.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
Napakasas nun ah. Alam niya? Hindi naman ako injured.
Oh!
But,
Fuck you! Boy, fuck you! Oh, what the First hook, boy. Painless.
Yeah, this is gonna be painless.
Oh! What the fuck?
Ano? Alam na alam ang putang alam na.
Come on, bot Leon. Oh man!
Like, how do you
Fuck
even know?
you! Oh, snap the moon, snap the moon, snap the moon!
Yun lang.
Fuck.
Alam niya kung nasan ako, no?
Hindi.
Diba?
Good for save, good for save, good for save!
Leon, what the fuck? He passed by me.
I'm not...
By me! Leon!
Hey, what's
Come
up,
here.
Mal? Thank you for 682 days followage!
Men, si Leon, hindi ako pinansin. Teka, back na ako.
Oh, fuck! Fuck!
Wow. Okay. Kabila, boy. Alam na alam ang puta. Napakasos na ito.
Man. I'm more important than you. Hey!
Oo,
It's
dinaanan
up
niya
to-
ako. Hindi na pinansin.
My god,
Tama.
998 day followage, just one more day, man. Just one more day, we
Okay.
got that 999.
Yun na yan.
And thank you for the like, Mal. Where is he chasing you?
Ay, winter pa.
I see him. I see him. I see him.
Tetestingin ko yan mamaya. Pupunta ako sa taas. Doon sa stairs. Pag yan, alam niya. Alam mo na.
No, I
Uy,
tried.
bagsak. Kaya ang tagal nun. Tagal nga nun. That was good.
No, no, no!
Uy, nice. Uy,
Saan mo dadalhin? To the moon?
lol. Nice pop. Gapang guys. Ay, what?
Body block? Ah, fuck you, Leon.
Could you do something?
So, nakatago ako dito Hindi niya nakita yan. Gago, alam niya! Anak nang. Hindi. Teka. Sorry, hindi alam mo. Ayop ka. Okay.
Help me, please.
Gago,
Castle
pabalik.
ako.
Men, ba't alam niya? Anak na... Tingnan mo, dumiretso siya sa akin. Nagtago na ako nun Nakakaloka. Kahit pa may ano yan, kahit pa may... Ang tawag mo dito? Pain... Hindi,
Pain rest?
Floods of Rage. Floods of Rage. Nasa bun Ang inang yan. Tama Ayun na naman. What the fuck, dude? Alam na alam, puta. Diretso Nang yan? Ay, tara.
Sa kabila.
Oh, fuck.
Sa middle.
Sige, gitna, boy. Gitna. Dol.
Ah!
Nice. Namo ka? Alam na alam ang puta. Diba? Gago ka
Oh, shit!
Ganun na kaya. Dito din.
I'm dead!
No.
Fuck! Oh! Shit, right next to the hook.
Sabay aakyat.
Nakilig.
Ayaw pumulot
Hindi, wala dito. He's not here.
Ayun ko yung TR
Sorry,
He's not here anymore. Unless he's...
Gago. Ano yun? Breakable?
No.
Hindi
Leon's
siya
here.
ng bot.
Wow.
Altruistic. Love it.
Man, napakasas ng
Ay,
galawan
what
niya.
the fuck?
Oh, diba? Ano yan? Nakita ka ng hindi naman dapat?
Tantrum!
Saan ka nakita?
So, nagjo-join ako.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, Marzon? How's the game? Well, I got down first, and then the random
Okay.
just DC'd. So yeah. Good way to start the day. I can't hear shit. Is he chasing you? Are you
Yeah.
close to the
Still no
moon?
winter.
No.
No. They're far away.
No,
Wait, what?
nasa locker ako. Sayang.
Tantrum.
Yay! Another gen.
Ah, fuck.
One hit! Sayang. Going to mid.
Ah, what?
For sure, pabalik siya.
Okay, Leon.
Leon.
Punta ko sa boom.
Oh, fuck. It's too close to the hook.
Shit.
Fucking A.